We were able to save this home from foreclosure with 50 people outside on the day of the auction.
What's unique about this is this was a foreclosure and the lady did not owe that much money to the bank. She was going through divorce. There's a lot of heartbreak. It was a very tricky time for her, so she let the house go. She only owed about 80,000, 90,000 to the bank, and this home in this area, Portsmouth, New Hampshire, had appreciated so much that as his value was around $300,000 to $350,000. And so typically when someone looks at this house, they would have offered her maybe in the low to mid 200s and saying, hey, here you go. She kept ignoring my calls till the last week before her auction. So this is one of those situations where she had over 50 people ready to bid on her house. We stopped the auction and we had paid off the bank 2 days before, but it takes time to get money to the attorney, do all that. That's why we always emphasize timing, especially when you're dealing with a foreclosure. Long story short, we stopped the auction. We got her to not sell us the house for a specific reason. We basically took the place of the mortgage she had, and then we got access to the house. We gave her some money to move out, find a new apartment. She still owns it, and what we're doing is flipping it while she still owns it. The advantage of this is that we can get an FHA, a government type loan, which is 70% of the marketplace right now, especially in this lower price point. And so we're able to maximize who can buy this house. So it helps everybody. And because of that, we were able to offer her a higher amount for her home. So she's getting $350,000. You can see the Redfin estimate is having it at $416, and all redone. We're doing new siding on this home, new kitchen, bathrooms, paint inside and out. We're going to be able to sell in the mid 500s to 600,000. So everybody's going to be able to benefit from this type of transaction.
Yeah, this is a good example of not doing too much. We specialize in solving problems. We're not interior designers. We're not going to give $3 million house a $1 million upgrade and sell it for $5 million. It's just not what we do. We solve a problem. We stop the auction. We're just going to go in, paint, upgrade everything just a little bit, make it FHA ready. As Stefano said, we were able to save by not actually closing on the house, but partnering up with the seller. And we're going to put it back on the market. And there's going to be a lot more buyers that can qualify for it than if she were to just put it on the market herself. Everyone's going to win in this situation.
Not to mention, she really couldn't put it on the market herself. She didn't have the money to pay the bank.